Okay, next stage is the body is now mobile on a trolley. So it's just a one-handed operation. You can move it anywhere in the workshop. One hand on the camera, one hand on the car. Okay, next part of the update of the Datsun 1600 roadster rebuild. As you can see, most of the front suspension on this side's off, and this is kind of what it looks like before. Just grungy, greasy, dirty. Lots of years of built up gunk. Grease around all the ball joints. But you see the motor out. It will get some attention later on. And over here, they kind of start off like this. Then we give them a good clean wire wheel, clean paint, and they'll all end up like this at some stage before we reassemble. Okay, the chassis has been all high pressure water blasted, degreased, and we did find one little problem. This sway bar mount has had a knock and has been re-welded, so I'm just cutting this off and going to straighten it up and get it back in line with the other one, which looks as though it's still all factory. So yeah, not a bad job, pretty easy. Just cut, straighten it up, re-weld it, and it should be apples again. Rest of the chassis, mint. No need for repairs anywhere. Good sandblast and it'll be good to go. Okay, just back from the sandblasters. Got the chassis all done. Spent the last hour or so trying to get all the dust out of the nooks and crannies, but yeah, it looks like it's all good. I got one little rust hole on the top to put a bit of spot on, but yeah, made up a little rudimentary, what do you call it, rotisserie, just to hold it while I spray it. So we'll set up this paint booth, the blow up jumping castle paint booth, and slide her in there and give her some etch primer and some black paint. She's ready to go, or yeah, ready to go to put all the front suspension, diff, leaf springs, all them back in when they're ready, and make a roller. Okay, the inflatable, inverted commas, jumping castle spray booth is ready to go for painting the chassis. So a bit of end light, but yeah, plenty of room, plenty of light. Let's go. Okay, next step finished in the rest of the Datsun 1600 Fair Lady Roadster. So chassis now all painted, satin black. Come up looking real nice. Might be a bit of glare there from the sun, but I think you get the gist. The jumping castle spray booth works a treat.